Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two mobile phones in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start design. Dimension. Weight. Build material. Color. Waterproof. Part 2. Display. Display type. Screen size. Resolution. Pixel density. Refresh rate. Brightness. Support HDR. Screen to body ratio. Part 3. Performance. Operating system. Chipset. Processor. RAM. Internal storage. Benchmark score. RAM speed. Part 4. Camera. Main camera. Built-in optical image stabilization. Video recording. Wide aperture. Front camera. Video recording. Wide aperture. Part 5. Battery. Battery power. Charging speed. Wireless charging speed. And finally, price. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.